paragraph. Do not laugh. Like, do not laugh.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so persons in this video is Kurt, Algamir, Ellie, Richard is Dre, what the, why is there two Algamir? What the fudge?
Oh no.
Richard, you're out. Okay, number 4. Yeah. There we go. So, what's this called? Yeah, so who's the person in the middle? Who's the person in the middle? Ellie, don't attempt to laugh. Don't attempt to laugh. Okay. Okay. I mean, who's gonna be the person? Alright, Ellie, prepare. Okay. Alright. Okay, who's gonna make Ellie laugh? Richard, what are you doing? Richard, okay, I'll go first. Ellie. Okay, so Ellie, you know the game Got Your Nose? Oh, look, it's a baby. So, Ellie, you know the game where I'm gonna grab your nose and then after that, got your nose. For this version, I'm gonna say this is a game called grab your balls. So, Richard, I grab your balls, Richard. Look, I'm gonna toss it there. I got two balls here. I'm gonna toss it.
Actually, I'm just hiding here. That's not me.
Richard, I lost your balls, Richard.
Yeah, my zero kind.
Go away. Yep.
Chicken.
Alright, so what's next? Make Ellie laugh. Okay, you can do it. Okay. Go, Richard, you can do it.
Okay. Who's? I give up. Wait lang. Ano magagawin ko ulit?
Hey, this is a record, okay?
God damn it. I'm right here, bitch. No. I give up.
Okay. Ellie almost laughed actually, but
Yeah, I know.
darn, you almost got him. Come here, it's your turn.
I made our seats. Look.
Alright, so
The seat is broken.
alright, who's next? Who's gonna make him? Okay, make Iron Man laugh.
Iron Man laugh.
Yeah.
Iron Woman laugh. I know, I missed the head. Yeah, shoot him in the head.
Stop shooting heads, Richard. What are you doing?
Nothing. Not doing anything. I'm just holding my book. It's okay. Laugh.
Okay. Who's next?
Yeah, I'm about to jump off the edge.
Oh, Richard's done, Kurt's done, I'm done, Algamir's done. So, Ellie, you get the point since they didn't make you laugh.
I'm gonna jump off the edge.
Okay, so who's gonna get in the middle?
Richard! Winner! I do. Steve!
Okay, Richard, can I have the honors of make you laugh? So Richard, you watch the Shrek, right? You watch the Shrek. Don't look back, just look back, okay? So I've seen this Easter egg video where look friends, it's a secret Easter egg. Richard, look back where Shrek showed his wiener. Oh, get out of the center, bitch.
Okay, sorry.
I get the point, boy. Hey, get out. I'm gonna score Ellie and me.
What the heck is Shrek doing?
I don't know. But I don't know, just Shrek was like, okay.
Jake.
I showed my wiener, okay.
I'm gonna explode. Look.
Oh, okay, I get to the center. Okay, come here. You do the trick. You make me laugh. Wait, still I'll come here. I'll come here. Make me laugh. Is that a bacon? Okay, Richard's turn. What's up, Richard? Wait, Richard, and you. That's a really mysterious and associated. Wow. Okay, Ellie, it's your turn, Ellie.
Come on. Puta si Elliot.
Ellie, what are you doing?
No.
Really, Ellie? Seriously, Ellie, what the hell was that? Okay, Ellie, you get to the center again. Ellie, you go to the center again.
You didn't attend the meeting.
I forgot to attend the meeting. I don't care. Okay, Ellie, you can do. Okay. So wait a second for a second. So Ellie, do you love Christmas? That's a question. Do you love Christmas?
No, I hate it.
Really? Okay, so you know what the Santa Claus says every time he goes to the chimney? Look at my hand. Say this one a couple of times.
Oh. I don't get it.
I'm a hobo.
I don't get it. Oh no, what the heck's this?
And then after that, he gave me a gift. Look back again, look back. He gave me a gift. Oh God, stop covering Ellie up. Look back, Ellie, look back. Ellie, look back. I'm gonna do my attempt again. Ellie, look back.
Excuse me there, Iron Man, you're such a dick.
And then after that, Ellie.
Fuck is my skin.
And then after that, Ellie, he gave me another Shrek winner.
And then it came out.
And then after that, something came out, and that was like, boom.
And then wait. I come here, there, look at it. Look what happened.
Hey, Ellie, check me out.
Wait. Let me do my thing. Jay, let me try to make it happen.
Okay.
Jay,
Yo.
let me do my thing.
Okay.
So you okay? Iron Man.
Okay.
Iron Man, let me make you laugh, okay? Okay. My first. Iron Man.
Oh no, Kurt. Oh no, Kurt. Oh no. Oh. That thing. I love that thing a lot. What is? Oh shit, no.
So beautiful. Fuck is wrong.
Hey, Kurt, tag team, Kurt. I wanna tag team with you. And then Ellie, check this out, Ellie. Check it out.
Not like that. Why, what's happening? Sir Melfi.
Yo.
Look at me.
Yo.
Sir Melfi.
What?
Fuck you.
Okay.
Jay, look, it's hot.
Hey, Ellie, fall down.
Jay, look, it's hot.
Just fall down.
Jay, look what's hot. Jay, look, it's hot.
Okay. Idol mo din siya cleaner kanina. Wait lang, yan.